Hi everyone, my name is Alex Page. Welcome to my course, Integrating TeamCity into Existing Workflows. I'm a solutions engineer at an enterprise software company. TeamCity is a powerful build management and continuous integration server, which allows you to automate application builds. This course dives into the plethora of ways you can integrate TeamCity with various development and lifecycle tooling to dramatically improve efficiency. We'll see firsthand how to both set up and utilize several useful integrations within the broader ecosystem of your SDLC, which TeamCity makes available. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include creating build notifications on desktop through email and on Slack, integrating TeamCity with an issue tracker system to autocorrelate code fixes to defects in tools like Jira, integrating with source control management to align TeamCity builds with SCM pull requests and publish build statuses to SCM, using the TeamCity API to cover virtually any customized integration in a flexible manner, and integrating with an IDE to create personal builds, which gives developers a non-disruptive way to test the integration of work-in-progress code in a CI/CD pipeline. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation to fully integrate TeamCity with the various tools involved in your software development lifecycle. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with creating and running builds in TeamCity, which is covered in the Getting Started with TeamCity course. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to fully connect TeamCity with the rest of your ecosystem with the Integrating TeamCity into Existing Workflows course at Pluralsight.